Still managing quality by design the hard way? Let's talk about the high cost of manual data entry. In CMC development, data is your most valuable asset. But when critical data is scattered across paper files, spreadsheets, and disconnected systems, it leads to duplication, inconsistency, and wasted effort. Manual data entry is more than tedious. It wastes time, burns out teams, and creates errors that ripple across development. The more complex your products are, the higher the stakes. The costs of inefficiency add up quickly. Longer development cycles, higher risk of failed batches, and regulatory gaps that can stall approvals. Instead of enabling proactive science, teams get stuck reacting to issues caused by poor data integrity and disconnected processes. What if your QbD framework could be smarter by design, by automating data capture and ensuring consistency from the start? With an intelligent QbD framework, raw data becomes structured knowledge. Automated workflows ensure traceability, while integrated systems eliminate re-entry, reduce errors, and guarantee data integrity. The benefits go far beyond efficiency. Smarter QbD transforms development from a documentation exercise into a knowledge-driven strategy. It accelerates CMC timelines, strengthens compliance, enables knowledge reuse across projects, and frees scientists to focus on innovation. Don't let manual data entry slow down your QbD. ValGenesis helps you revolutionize CMC development with an intelligent QbD framework. Learn more at valgenesis.com.